How to fix login errors on delivery.com. If you want to fix the login errors that you're facing on the delivery.com app, it's actually quite very simple to do so. All you have to do is first you want to make sure it's not the issue with your internet. So if you're using Wi-Fi, you can try to switch to cellular data or vice versa. After that, you can simply open up the settings app. From settings, you want to simply scroll and look for the option called apps. From here, you can simply tap the search bar and simply search for delivery.com app. Once you're here, if you're on Android, you can see this option called storage. Go to storage, clear the cache files and make sure to clear the data. If you're using iPhone, then you can try to offload the app and reinstall the app completely. Also check if the delivery.com app is updated to the latest version from your respective app store. Now reopen the delivery.com app. Now if you're still having issues, chances are basically that your login details are incorrect. So from here, under already have an account, tap on login, and you might think this is the login option. No, this is also the option to sign up for a new account. So again, to log in, again look at the very bottom, it says already have an account login. So of course you want to tap on this little login button again. Now this is where we want to enter our details to log in. Before you log in, by the way, let me reassure you that you can also log in with your Google account or your Facebook account, or you can choose to enter your email address manually and your password also manually here, then tap on the login button. But in the case that you happen to forget your email or password, you can see this option that says forgot your password. So of course you can tap on it, just enter the email address associated with it, tap on the send option, it will send a verification code or the link to reset your password. So here you can simply try to go to your email, check if you received an email from delivery.com. If you have, then you will be able to choose a new password without having to remember the old password. This way you should be able to fix login errors on delivery.com. I hope the video really helped you out. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.